Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today's lesson will help you learn 100 more everyday English adjectives. Let's get started. Adorable. The puppy is adorable. Alert. The guard remained alert all night. Ambitious. She is ambitious and works hard. Annoying. The buzzing fly was annoying. Anxious. He felt anxious before the interview. Attractive. The garden is attractive. Awkward. It was an awkward conversation. Basic. This course teaches basic English. Bold. She made a bold decision. Bossy. His sister can be bossy sometimes. Brief. The meeting was brief. Busy. The airport was busy today. Carefree. The children enjoyed a carefree summer. Charming. The small town is charming. Cheerful. She gave us a cheerful smile. Clumsy. I felt clumsy and dropped my phone. Cozy. The cabin felt cozy in winter. Crowded. The train was crowded this morning. Cruel. It is cruel to hurt animals. Daring. The firefighter made a daring rescue. Delightful. We had a delightful evening. Dependable. She is a dependable friend. Detailed. The report was detailed. Determined. He was determined to succeed. Eager. The students were eager to learn. Elegant. She wore an elegant dress. Energetic. My dog is energetic. Enormous. The elephant was enormous. Enthusiastic. The crowd was enthusiastic. Excellent. You did an excellent job. Fancy. They ate at a fancy restaurant. Fearless. The explorer was fearless. Fierce. The storm became fierce. Flexible. My schedule is flexible. Foolish. It was a foolish mistake. Fragile. The glass vase is fragile. Free. The museum is free today. Frightened. The child was frightened by the noise. Gigantic. They saw a gigantic ship. Graceful. The dancer looked graceful. Grateful. I am grateful for your help. Greedy. The greedy man wanted more money. Handy. A flashlight is handy during a power outage. Harmless. The insect is harmless. Helpful. The guide was very helpful. Hollow. The tree was hollow inside. Humble. Despite his success, he remained humble. Immense. The desert was immense. Impatient. The customers became impatient. Important. Education is important. Independent. She is an independent worker. Innocent. The child looked innocent. Jealous. He felt jealous of his brother. Jolly. The old man was jolly. Keen. She has a keen interest in music. Knowledgeable. The teacher is knowledgeable. Large. They own a large farm. Lively. The party was lively. Lonely. He felt lonely after moving away. Magnificent. The castle looked magnificent. Mature. She is mature for her age. Messy. His bedroom is messy. Mighty. The river is mighty. Mischievous. The kitten was mischievous. Modest. She remained modest about her success. Mysterious. The house looked mysterious. Narrow. The road is narrow. Neat. Her handwriting is neat. Nervous. I was nervous before speaking. Obedient. The dog is obedient. Odd. That was an odd question. Optimistic. She is optimistic about the future. Ordinary. It was an ordinary day. Outstanding. He gave an outstanding performance. Patient. The nurse was patient. Perfect. The weather was perfect. Pleasant. We had a pleasant conversation. Precious. Family time is precious. Punctual. She is always punctual. Quick. He gave a quick answer. Rare. That bird is rare. Realistic. Your goal is realistic. Rough. The road is rough. Scary. The movie was scary. Selfish. It was selfish to take everything. Sensitive. She is sensitive to criticism. Sharp. Be careful, the knife is sharp. Silly. The joke was silly. Skillful. He is a skillful carpenter. Smooth. The table has a smooth surface. Spacious. The apartment is spacious. Spectacular. The fireworks were spectacular. Steady. Keep a steady pace. Stubborn. The child was stubborn. Stylish. She wears stylish clothes. Talented. The musician is talented. Thoughtful. That was a thoughtful gift. Tiny. The insect is tiny. Trustworthy. She is trustworthy. Wonderful. We had a wonderful day. Excellent work. You have learned 100 more English adjectives and heard each one used in a sentence. Try saying the words out loud and creating your own examples. Daily practice is one of the best ways to improve your English vocabulary. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next English lesson. Goodbye.